Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how we can issue the medicines or how to create the pharmacy bills for OPD patients and general walk-in patients. For this, you need to go to the pharmacy module by clicking here on pharmacy. Click on pharmacy. So this is our interface for pharmacy module. We have all the options here: purchase, sales, GRN, reports. We will cover the billing part. So the billing can be done in the sale module. So if we click here, it will expand. Now we have basically two type of sale. One is counter sale and another is sale to indoor patient. Counter sale is used when OPD patient or patient who are prescribed by in-house consultants comes for the medicine. So you can use this option to create the bills. This option can also be used if walk-in patient. Walk-in means who is not prescribed by the in-house doctors. They just came in the pharmacy shop for medicines. So we can create bill for them also. And sale to indoor patients, when you issue the medicine to the admitted patient, the bill will be created automatically and it will be added in main hospital bill so that patient can see only one bill. It is also mandatory for insurance companies or TPAs. Apart from this, we have sale return option also. For counter sale, we have this sale return, and for sale to indoor patient, we have sale return for indoor patient. Then we have cancellations, receive balance payment. We will cover only counter sale in this particular video. For rest, please refer to our other videos. Let us start with counter sale. Just click on counter sale. So you can see all the bills created by default today. You can change the date range and by this user. You can print the existing bills. You can print the existing bill from here. But let us create a new bill. So click on add new or press F2. This is our interface for creating new bill. Let us start with existing patient. Existing patient means who is registered with the hospital, and every patient who is registered with the hospital have a unique UHID. So now we have few ways to find out existing patient. First, we can find them by today's OPD. Please note that if our EMR system is implemented in your hospital or e-prescription is implemented, then whatever the doctors write, it automatically come as indent in pharmacy. If I click on pending indent, it shows me all the indents or all the medicine requests or all the medicines prescribed by the consultants. So I can see two patients, Moizur Rahman and Ramesh Kumar. So already we have got the indent of these two patients. So let us choose Moizur Rahman. So we can see doctor has prescribed him two medicines, paraldehyde normal and Calpol. So pharmacy user has to just issue this medicine. So you can see how fast it can work. So it's showing me this medicine here. Automatically the last batch and expiry appears. If there are multiple batches, you can select. But since we have a single batch only, the above item has a single batch and this item we have a multiple batch. It shows automatically one batch, but you can change the batch expiry. You can change this. Let me choose this batch and expiry. Okay, automatically this batch number appears here. Further, the pharmacy user can see the prescription of consultant also. Just click here. You can see it is tightly integrated. Pharmacy user can directly go to the prescription also if there are some confusion or he want to check any other information. He can click here, print prescription, and you can see automatically the prescriptions of this particular Moizur Rahman appears with all the tests, chief complaints and all, just in case of any confusion. So now you can just save and print. So this is successfully saved and now you can see the preview of the bill. So this is how we created the bill of Moizur Rahman, where doctor has already prescribed the medicine in system and it reflected automatically in pharmacy as an indent. So pharmacy people just put the batch expiry and created the bill. So it's very seamless integration. In this example, if doctor has prescribed, it appears as indent in pharmacy. Now next example, let us take the case where EMR or e-prescription is not implemented in your hospital. In that case also, if patient came for consultancy, we can choose the patient from here. OPD number, click here. So by default, it's showing me today's patient. Now these are the patients who came for consultancy. Ramesh Kumar and Amir. So let me choose this patient Amir. Automatically phone numbers and all appears here. But in this case, we have to type the medicines manually. So we click here on code and let us type the name of medicine. Let's say I type Calpol 650 mg. Automatically the names appear. The balance is 78 with us. Now by default it selected the near expiry batch. You can choose any other batch if you want. Let me choose this one. Depending on the medicine strip and quantity, let's say 20, rate automatically appears. So this is one medicine. You can type other medicines also. If you want to choose from list, you can click here. You can see the list of medicines. Let's choose this medicine ABC. Just click here. You can choose the multiple medicines also. Let me choose one more. You can search from here also. Let me choose this one, Crocin. So I have choose two items. Press OK. Oh, this item is having the zero stock balance. But we have seen the stock in the list. It's because the stock was of expired items. So that's why it's not allow me to issuing the items. So I can remove this item by pressing the cross. So now we can see the Crocin. Again, we can change the batch if we want. So now we have to fill the quantity. Let's say 50. Now save and print. So it's successfully saved and you can see the print for this. So in this example, we saw that if our e-prescription or EMR is not implemented, then also we can choose the today's patients who came for consultancy and create their bills. So moving back. So moving to next example, let us take the case when patient is registered with the hospital, maybe 6 months back or 10 years back, but he comes directly to the pharmacy instead of coming through the consultant. Now to search the patient, just click here on UHID. You can directly type the phone number and you can see the list is populated as the phone number matches. So I can see with this phone number it's showing Sachin Gupta. So you can click here and automatically the detail of patients appear. Now if you don't remember the phone number, either you can type the UHID here, or even if you don't remember the UHID, you can click on search button here in front of OPD number. Just click on search. By default, it will search in the today's patients only. You just remove today and make it don't remember. Now you can search with name, mobile, address. Let me choose the name Raj. So it will show all the patients which includes RAJ like Dheeraj, Neeraj. So you can choose any of this. Or even you can search with address. Let me put Ghaziabad. So few letters GHAZ. So now it will try to search all the Raj from Ghaziabad. So let me remove this Raj. So it will search all the patients with Ghaziabad. So I can see Jafar Ali. It's showing 3 times because the search filter is on the order of OPD. So let me choose Jafar Ali. Now you can see the patient name automatically appears. Last consultant, everything is same. Phone number, age. Now we can go ahead and create the bill. Let me choose the medicine, paraldehyde normal. So it's showing me last batch expiry. I just have to put the quantity. Let's say 10. Already we have seen this in previous example. But in this example, I want to take one case more, that if patient return the items while taking the new items. So just press add return. So if you click add return, it will ask the date of the previous visit of the patient so that it can search for the bill. So I don't remember the date. Let me make it 22. It's showing me the all the patients in this date range. So I can choose the return from any patient. Let me choose Krishnan. So suppose this item has to be returned. So I choose this item and click copy to main screen. Now choose the quantity. let's say 1. Now you can see automatically this minus entry, though the quantity is 1, so it's showing very low figure, but automatically the minus 2.17 appears here and total bill is 998.17. So that's how we can put the return item also in the main patient bill. We can also add remarks with the bill. You can click add remarks and you can type any remarks you want. Let me type my remarks here for demo purpose. Rest all things are same. So we can save and print the bill. This bill is previewed. So we can see one item is returned. Patient has purchased this item and he returned this item. So total is 998. So let me take one more example, the last example from counter sale, where the patient is walk-in. Walk-in means a random patient, just passerby, comes to the pharmacy shop of the hospital, took the medicine and go away. So you don't want to create a UHID, neither the patient has the previous relation with the hospital, and you just want to create a bill, no UHID will be generated. So you can directly type the name of the patient, let's say Dinesh Garg. Now in this case, either you can choose the hospital consultant. Hospital consultant means the consultant who are registered with the hospital. You can choose, or if suppose you don't want to register this patient consultant also, you can choose other consultant. You can write here freehand, Dr. XYZ. Just for example, I'm writing XYZ and rest everything is same. So no UHID will be generated for this patient. You can choose gender. Similarly, you can choose the medicine. Proceed. Let's say 10 quantity. One more thing I want to tell that this color, because we have classified medicine in different schedules. So for schedule H1, the color is yellow. It's just a setting of the software that you can divide the medicine in different schedules, and based on the schedule, the color will appear. It's just for the good clarity for the billing person. No more significance of this color. In this example, I want to take few more things like concession. If you want to give some concession to the patient, whether it was the registered patient or this patient, you can choose the concession authority, administrator or doctor. These authorities can be defined at the back end. So let me choose administrator and you want to give the concession, let's say 10%. So automatically 2.17 appear. Or if you want to give the concession by concession amount, you can directly write the amount here. So let me keep it with the percentage only. Okay. This is how concession is applied. And one last thing is about payments. Suppose this is the payment, net amount is 20. Customer don't want to pay by cash. They want to change the mode. So you can change the patient mode to credit card. So other details also appears. You can fill these details and you can type the amount paid 20. So this is how we can take the payment through the credit card. We can also take the part payment if it is required. If some patient is known, you can type 15. So balance will be there with this bill. So we can take the part payment also. And sometimes it happens that patient want to make the payment half by cash or half by the credit card. There is one option here, take payment in two parts. Right now it's in one part. You can, if you click this, then you will see the two amount paid. Suppose patient paid 12 from the credit card and 8 from the cash. So you can also take the split payment, and there is one option of tender amount also. You can type the total amount customer has paid in, suppose the payment mode is cash, so you can write the tender amount. The tender amount means the total note patient has given to you, just for remembrance that this is the 100 rupees patient has given and you have written them the 80 back. So the tender amount option is also there. So save and print. You can see again the bill. So this is all about the counter sale billing. So thanks for watching this video tutorial. Do watch our other video tutorials on our official YouTube channel.